Welcome back to our channel. Continuing our series of simple DIY projects for everyday life. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple but very effective vacuum cleaner. First, we're going to make the fan blades. I'm using plastic sheets that I flattened with heat from a PVC pipe. Cut and attach 8 hard plastic pieces evenly around a round disc, just like you see here. Then add some glue to make it sturdier. Next, drill some holes and mount the motor onto a plastic cap. Attach the fan blades to the motor, then solder the wires to power it up. Now let's move on to the body of the vacuum. Take a large container and drill a hole on the lid to install the motor assembly and create airflow. Seal around it with hot glue to prevent suction loss. Add a battery contact point on top of the lid. Install the switch, then solder everything, from the motor to the battery contact, to finish the circuit. side of the container, drill a hole big enough to attach the suction hose. Make sure to place a filter in front of the intake to protect the fan and keep the machine running smoothly. And finally, close the lid. And let's test how well our DIY vacuum works. You can see the suction power is really strong. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to like and subscribe to support our channel.